I think an average Indian housewife works so hard to run the house. She's standing in the kitchen the whole day. She's so tired by end of the day.
Yeah.
वो घर का काम कर रही है और वो बहुत बार सोचती है कि मैं इतना काम कर रही हूँ, तो मैं क्या ही अब और वर्कआउट करूँ? डू यू थिंक घर का काम एक 1 आवर स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग जिम सेशन को रिप्लेस कर सकता है?
It can't replace it, but of course she's highly active. But you know what happens when you're doing the same activities for so many years, you're exercising the same muscle. What you
हुँ,
need in a gym or from yoga or from pilates is a full body workout
हुँ,
that is in sync with your breaths. So
हुँ,
that is a me time. That's not a household chore. And there's a
हुँ,
huge difference in it with your
हुँ,
mindset, with the way your body takes it. So I feel even a housewife, if she's going to gym for 20 minutes, you will see change in her body language. You will see change in her confidence. And that is very important. And
हुँ,
the simple thought that I come last will change, and she will know I come first, or I'm me and my body is first for me. So just giving those 20 minutes, I know for a housewife it will be very difficult to go to gym every day. But if she manages a 20-minute workout at home for herself, and looking at, there are so many wonderful videos on YouTube that you can just work out from. That also works. But it's extremely important that she also has her me time, especially which is combined with exercise. And that is extremely important. Then, you will observe she watches what she eats, then she would want to even get better. So I feel it can't replace it.